important room in the entire factory. My most secret inventions are cooking and simmering in here. Voila, the everlasting gourmet gobstopper.
Looks like gum.
That's because it is gum.
Gum?
The most dazzling gum in the world.
Gum? Oh no.
An entire gourmet meal without all those nasty calories.
Gum.
Unfortunately, it's not perfected yet, so you must not chew it.
Gum. I only have one dream life, there's very little to it. To own one stick of lifelong gum and all life long to chew it. I chew it all through childhood, I chew it when I wed. If I survive to 95, I'll chew it till I'm dead.
But this gum here is much better than that one. This gum here is a 3-course dinner. Pea soup, roast beef, and blueberry ice cream. Blueberry is the nicest ice cream. You may feel fat, but in fact you're thinner. Even after a 3-course dinner.
That gum is so mine. It's delicious. It really tastes like pea soup. Oh, and here comes the roast beef. It's fantastic, so tender and juicy.
But the blueberry ice cream,
I'll bet it's to die.
that's what I'm worried about. The dye.
Yo, Violet, you're so busted. That gum is gonna do it. Her candy's been gone down the drain.
I asked her not to chew it.
Too late, Willy, nothing to it, 'cause I know just how to chew it. There is no need to poo-poo it.